I'm here to tell you guys how much this week's odd jobs are paying. The forklift job pays you about 40k without the bonuses. With the bonuses, you get about 72k, and by the fire truck work, you get about I got 71k, but I was late on some of them, and if you aren't late on some of them, you can get about 73 to 72k on that. And I'm gonna give you now the how much you can get on the paperboy missions. And for the paperboy missions, you would get the same as the firefighter missions. So which is the best? I would suggest that you go for the paperboy missions and the fire and the firefighter missions. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe or like the video. It will really help me out.